Hey. We back. Reacting to Lil Tay, Sucker for Green. Please subscribe. But let's jump into this. Isn't she underage?
Mm-hmm.
She's not underage.
I don't know.
Oh, age is just a number.
I didn't say that.
It's just numerals.
I did not say that.
She's
probably underage. I don't know.
She looks very young.
Well, okay.
Oh, where did she get that from?
I walked in the party, no friends on my arm. You got my attention, like a fire alarm. I don't want to lose ya, I don't want to lose ya. I'm just looking through ya, you see my Medusa. Money, 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 money. I just can't look away from it, I want it, want it, want it. When you try to leave, I got you paralyzed, fall for it every time. You got me screaming at the top of my lungs, I must be dreaming. I can't.
Nice voice, nice beat. I like this.
Her voice is not great, come on.
I mean, for
The
this,
song sounds good.
I mean, her voice blends well with this.
It makes sense, yeah.
The music is good.
Yeah, it sounds like one of those old funk songs.
Yeah. I mean, she's not the second coming of Miley Cyrus or someone, or fucking Selena Gomez, but.
Get enough, you got me tripping off that look in your eyes.
Nice cars. How many?
These cars are like they're like super expensive.
Has
Even
it ever
rappers don't have these cars.
Has it ever been determined where does she make her money from?
That's a great question.
I mean, I get it. Maybe I get it. Most of them are probably like not hers, but yeah.
You to me, I'm a sucker for green. Some's calling it a sick obsession. Nothing wrong with being rich and blessed, and I just want a few yachts and mansions right now. Looking back.
Talk your shit. Nothing is wrong with being rich.
Some's calling it a sick obsession. Nothing wrong with being rich and blessed, and I just want a few yachts and mansions right now. Looking back some big diamonds, dropping racks on my island. Got a touch like I might have. Touch it, love it, love it. Ooh, it's sweet, keep looking at me. I can stand the heat of a million degrees. Oh, money, money, money. I just want your money, money, money. I just can't look away from it. I want it, want it, want it. You got me screaming at the top of my lungs. I must be dreaming. I can't get enough. You got me dripping off the look in your eyes. What you do to me? I'm a sucker for green. Forgot to mention you stay in my head. You're my obsession. Can't get out of bed. You got me dripping off that look in your eyes. What you do to me? I'm a sucker for green. What would I do without ya? We got a little thing, and I'm just loving that. What I do without ya? We got a little thing, and I'm just loving that.
That's funny.
That's kind of funny.
That's funny.
We got a little thing, Illuminati.
It's hilarious.
I'm a sucker for green. What would I do without ya? We got a little thing, and I'm just loving that. It's coming and it's going so. What would I do without ya? We got a little thing. 'Cause all I want is your dollar sign. Got me spending it all the time. Ooh, it's sweet, keep looking at me. I can stand the heat of a million degrees. Oh, money, money, money. Money, money, money. I just can't look away from it. I want it, want it, want it. You got me screaming at the top of my lungs. I must be dreaming. I can't get enough. You got me dripping
Okay.
Man, this song was way better than I expected.
Yeah.
It's way better than
I expected her to tell me I'm broke.
Besides that, it's like just sonically, it's just way better than I thought. Like,
Yeah.
her music makes sense. She sounds.
Well, I
very-
wouldn't say her music, her song. You don't know what she has cooking.
Okay, yes, the song makes sense and it has a nice sound to it. It's like, it's good. Movies, games.
And wow, she's
All that
older than I
stuff.
remember now.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
How long has it been? 5 years?
Man, she grew up.
She grew up, died, came back to life. Jesus Christ, she's had a resurgence. She's. Oh, that's why they probably faked her death. Well, made a hoax
Yeah,
of it.
yeah.
It's her resurgence.
Yeah,
This is
resurgence.
exactly what it means. Ha, English, guys. Oh, guys, English. I'm educated, guys. Yo, I'm
Anyway, guys,
educated.
Please like, subscribe,
Please.
comment, and suggest any other videos you want us to
Uh-huh.
react to. React to them and give you a shout out. But for now, we have to go.
Mwah.